Hi students, today we're discussing how to set up your macronutrient targets in Cronometer. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to use the macros calculator that I made for you, this Excel spreadsheet, and you'll type in your weight here. So for example here, we're going to have our example person be 150 pounds. And this is going to be an athlete who really exercises a lot, maybe for a couple hours a day. So that's going to put him in the high protein category. So if he exercises, like if someone were exercising for maybe 30 to 60 minutes a day, that might put them in the fitness category. But if they're exercising for a couple hours a day, they're definitely going to be in the high fitness category. So we'll say, okay, they're in this category, and that means because I typed 150 pounds in here, it's going to tell me how many grams of protein they need. Look, if I put a different number in here, if somebody weighed 200 pounds, then see how these numbers would change, okay? But anyway, our example person here is 150 pounds. Alrighty, so, and he exercises for a couple hours a day, so he needs 136 grams of protein a day. Now we can look down here to daily carb needs. This person has high carb needs because they exercise between 1 to 3 hours per day, so they need 544 grams of carbs per day. All right, so now that we've done our calculation, we're going to go to Cronometer and set that up. So let's go to Cronometer. Here we are, and we come over here and we say we want to go to profile and targets. So here we go. We just went to profile and targets, and now we're going to scroll down to macronutrient targets. So this is the default that it's going to give you, these macro ratios. That is going to be your least accurate. So we're going to be, since we know better, we're going to try and be a little more accurate than that. We're going to try fixed values. Alrighty. So we know that we want 136 grams of protein. We know that we want 544 grams of carbs, which, don't get me wrong, that's a lot, but this person needs that much because they're exercising a couple hours a day. Alrighty. And now that I've got that set up, when I go to my diary, it's going to reflect all of that in my targets. Okay. So this will allow this person to see that what they're currently eating does not match their needs. So that's how this can be really valuable. All right, thanks. Take care.